Hi everybody, aloha. How are you everyone? So here we go, straight to the point, yet another leap of faith in my life, and I could easily say I did become master of leap of faiths and breakthroughs after over 35 years of doing so. And so what has happening in last 3 to 4 months when I started my creative traveling? That was one of my last leap of faith when I literally change everything, turn everything upside down in my life, and just in spur of the moment I decided that's it. I am going to live in my home on wheels. Actually, it's van where I am right now, and do all of my services, all the creative coaching and painting and everything I usually do in a studio or gallery or office. Now I put on myself such a huge challenge to do all of it while I'm traveling, and it initial idea it was I do that, fix the van, transform it, create it, and start working in less than a month or just about. Well, as you know, nothing happened just exactly how we planned it. So here I am, 3 months or more after, and all the solar panel electricity and building material is still all over the place, all behind me, hidden on that sparkly wall. I like to decorate my space no matter what, so this gypsy soul really can... Oh, sorry, I had to adjust the camera. Uh-huh, okay. So what is going on? Finally, I came to... Oh, I apologize for all this shaking and all the... Okay, so I decided to... because I really couldn't work out how to do all those paintings when it's rain or too hot or blah blah windy and everything, so obviously it didn't work the way I imagined to be. However, doesn't mean it can work better with the universe help and the creative mind. So here I am. I'm going to share from today onwards daily, either most possibly live videos, some of them not, with zillion of different topics, raw, bold, weird things I'm doing on daily basis. I'm meeting so many creative people on this traveling, which I'm going also to invite to give their put input they share through their experience in those videos. However, topics I was thinking about, first and foremost, it was how I build my life from complete fear and depression and anxiety and abuses and trauma and post-traumatic stress disorder and you name it, things that I dealt with probably all of my life. Some of them I'm still dealing with. No wonder why in 53 years of age, no plastic by the way, no injections, all the creative energy, ha 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 ha. So how I did build, and I'm not saying you have to spend all your life to build from fear to full on liberation and loving yourself to the max and literally go into your true authentic essence, the true color of who you are, and wear it from inside out. So this is one of the topics, probably major one, because I will include my not only my knowledge from quantum physics, neuro-linguistic programming, like over 100 of different methods and techniques I learn for myself and adjust them and tailor them for my clients and myself through creativity and through channeling the messages and colors and information that I needed, not only for my personal growth, but as well for the successful clients' growth. So one of the topics, big one, major topic, it will be that. However, there is another one that is also very, very active in me, and this is erotic creativity. Erotic creativity in everyday life. I'm not speaking about erotic art, although that will be as well part of it. However, what I'm talking about here and what I will be sharing, how to build up on your erotic, magnetic, passionate energy that is irresistible in everyday life, not only in relationships, but in business, in friendships, in any situation, and how we can utilize in our daily activities, and how we can use eroticism to manifest. So that is also part of the topics that I like to share. It's creativity and nature. Like nature and creativity together, united, made me who I am today. And I don't doubt that millions of people out there would agree with exactly that topic, and I will give you all of my heart and my part of share to contribute to that, if you choose to go that direction. There is the whole workshop, actually weekend retreat event that I created back 4 or 5 years ago, and its name All Senses Activation. That exactly full process of that I will share live in one chunk of the series of videos. See how I go. Then what else? I will use. So what I also like to mention, what you can expect, but don't take me for granted, because those videos will be in spur of the moment. They will be raw, they will be natural, and there wouldn't be specific timing, really. So I will use quantum physics, neuro-linguistic programming, crystals, color healing, art topics, styling, like really true, authentic style of yours, and yeah, just imagine a raw live TV show. So this is going to be as well my video book, which I was writing the last 15 years and never been finished off because I self-doubt and zillion other blockages I had. So I decided why I have to write a book. after all, maybe the sharing itself in this way, it's even more valuable, because you hear me speaking, you feel me, you see me, hopefully you sense me. Okay, so I spoke too much. There is one rule that I'm breaking straight away, and this is 15-second pitch. Well, who is meant to be here listening, and who is interested will come back. Put it this way, I can squeeze 53 years of age in 45 seconds. Well, I'm not that smart perhaps, but I'm genuine, creative, galactic, cosmic gypsy who is here to serve you. Through my experiences and everything that helped me and thousands of other clients, I believe in one or the other way had benefit from. As well, I believe that we are also all healers, and I will include tips and things that I do for healing my soul, healing my mind, healing my body. I'm also very, very highly intuitive being, and I won't be shy anymore and hide behind. I am amazing channeler. Well, that was really out of my range of vocabulary, but yeah, I I start to believe I am amazing from where I've been and what I went through to where I am now and how I can serve the world and contribute to all the changes we are going to. So, yeah, thank you for being here. Thank you for checking me out. And if you like, please subscribe and see what next day will going to be bringing to us, as the collective co-creation just began again, or extending into yet another level of our collective spiral. Much, much, much love, true love from Loveritas Creations. Namaste. Bye for now.